see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be trying to go for these Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I do feel like if I do cook up on some of these sneaker releases, it could possibly fund something bigger. So I feel like that is a great idea. But if you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And I honestly do feel like on sneakers, I'm gonna probably take the L off the rip because I barely catch W's on there unless it's like a brick. So I'm probably gonna end up going for Footlocker. I'm gonna try sneakers obviously just in case. There's some sneakers that I've been meaning to unbox which I haven't even showed you guys, which I did cook up on Footlocker as well. But this video is sponsored by Addict.io. I do want to let you guys know that on May 17th they are gonna be restocking. This is the best iOS bot and I definitely recommend for you guys to check it out if you are interested in getting into reselling or just cooking up some pieces for the personal. When sometimes you don't have a chance manual, the second chance for you would be Addict.io. So I would recommend you guys to go ahead and check it out. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already edited the whole like live cop in a way because when it comes to these sneaker releases, you have to be on Footlocker for like 2 hours straight before you can even get into the website. So I cropped 2 hours worth of content into 2 minutes, and that's exactly what we're gonna react to today. And as you can see, I'm right here on sneakers. I'm starting right away off the rip, trying to add my size. I'm gonna go ahead and try and purchase this one. Click that buy button. Can't see shit, Captain. I'm basically blocking everything out. I submit my order and now I'm waiting. Pretty much at this point, I'm just pending and it says your entry is in. At this point, I'm like, yo, okay, I entered on my phone and I entered on the computer. So might as well check out a different website. I went on Jimmy Jazz because I was still not in the queue of Footlocker. So I'm like, yo, let me try some other options. I clicked checkout. They actually sent me to do a CAPTCHA, which is kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. I clicked the bolts real quick, boom, verify that I am a human, submit that, and we're in line. So now I'm in line. I'm like, all right, let me go ahead and check out another option. Jimmy Jazz gives me the L off the rip. Every size is sold out. I'm like, yo, fuck it. Screw that. Didn't get them on sneakers. Already saw that shit coming. So I'm like, all right, my only option is Footlocker. I'm in there and I'm already in checkout because I forgot to start screen recording again. Boom, I'm adding everything. Click the place order and guess what happens? We end up waiting in line for a little bit. Then it says it's like an error or some shit. I check my email and boom, I got charged for the first pair. I'm like, yo, it doesn't end here. So we're gonna go ahead and get a Bay size pair for Bay because she needed these shits. So we're in here trying to get a 4.5 real quick, adding these shits to cart. You know how it goes. This is a loop, bro. You gotta keep adding it to cart. It's gonna say sold out. There's high volume. You can't get through, but eventually they will let you through, just like you guys can see right here. Once again, I am in cart and I click checkout. I had already filled out all my information. Boom, I have all that shit saved. So I'm just adding the card info and everything else. So you guys can see right here, I pretty much just wait a little bit and then I go ahead, save, continue, go all the way to the bottom in a little bit and you guys will see that I placed my order. I gotta change the card honestly because I don't know what's going on. So I continue and after this you guys will see, but today it was giving me a lot of errors. I honestly haven't seen that before. I go ahead and place my order. As you guys can see at the top it says I didn't do it in time, but I did actually manage to get the base size pair. And right here you guys can see both of my confirmations and that's pretty much it for today. One thing I do want to say is that after that screen recording I actually managed to cook up another pair which I will be holding in a size 4.5. I feel like that is a money size, so I'm gonna just go ahead and hold that until further notice. I got another pair of ones a couple weeks back which I also am gonna hold. I feel like these are investments that are definitely recommended, bro. When you buy these pieces, definitely like a base size Jordan 1 for like 140 and you end up flipping it for 310, 320. That's basically like you're making $150 for sitting down on your computer for 2 hours, which is honestly genius. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this one, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And I guess I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.